is the morning of my first annual channel catfish tournament on the Jordan River. This is where we're going to be meeting this morning. It is now 5:30 in the morning. I'm just waiting for some people to get signed up. Me and my daughter are all signed up. This is the boundaries of the Jordan River, what we're going to be doing. I don't know if you can make it out. 33rd South to where the Jordan River starts at Utah Lake. Alright, next time you'll see me is going to be at our fishing spot, and hopefully I get some people to sign up. I've heard of like 5 people are going to show up, so that's better than nothing. Alright, so intermission. Alright, so here we are on the Jordan River. My tournament did not have a good turnout. I had a lot of people say they were going to show up, but they didn't make it. So me, my father-in-law, and my daughter, we're here at the Jordan River. We're going to have our own little tournament. So we each still put in our money, and then we're going to see what happens at the end of the day. We're at this one spot on the Jordan River, and Yasmin's using my homemade garlic dough bait. I'm using the Secret 7. I don't know what my father-in-law is doing just yet, but that's where we're at. We'll let you know. Had a bite. A one-hit wonder.
Well, I'm going to win the money.
Yas, why do you think you're going to win the money?
Because I'm a girl and ladies go first. And last.
So that means me and you got to try extra hard today.
That's all right. Well, we can do it.
Get off my line, ducks.
You sure wasn't a duck that got your name?
No, not the first one. There wasn't a duck close to it.
Just kidding. Settle down, Moss.
Alright, intermission. Yasmin, whoa, stop reeling, you're at the max. Wow, Yasmin just caught a Utah sucker.
Carp.
A carp. But this one right here they call a Utah chub.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Why is that?
I don't know. Wow, Yaz.
Awesome.
There was no strike indication at all.
Yeah. Well, who can hold my pole?
Just had it rested on my chair.
Well, your garlic worked, huh?
Yeah. She got this off of my homemade garlic dough bait.
Wow.
It's okay. You're okay.
No strike indication at all.
Whoa. It's in deep. There we go. Alright, get a picture.
Alright, I got it on camera. Alright, throw him back.
Bye-bye, Fluffy. Back into the wild.
Wow, yes, nice.
Yay! Yeah.
I just asked Yasmin to hand me her pole because I was gonna rebait it up or just recast it. And I started reeling in, and then all of a sudden it felt like there's a fish on there, and I handed the pole to her, and she reeled it in.
Yeah. So I got one fish. So, you guys still have 0. I like to use the garlic still.
You want to use the garlic dough bait.
I'm going to wash off my sandal. Look at it. This is also sometimes why I hate mud, because it ruins stuff that are important, like shoes. Shoes are very important. So I'm just going to wash it off. Oh, this ground feels squishy. carrier. These look like oil.
Oh, yeah.
That was awesome. I just asked Yaz to hand me your pole and felt a fish on there. And, well, so far, me and my father-in-law, we're getting skunked. All right, intermission.